Sa ika-13 araw ng impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte, humarap bilang bagong testigo ng prosekusyon si COA ICFAO State Auditor Sailin May del Campo kaugnay ng Article 1 ng Articles of Impeachment na tumatalakay sa confidential funds. Sa pagdinig, ipinakita ni House Private Prosecutor Attorney Lorna Capunan kay Del Campo ang listahan ng 845 acknowledgement receipts na may kaugnayan sa confidential funds ng Office of the Vice President. Habang sinusuri ng testigo ang mga dokumento, pinuna ni Defense Counsel Attorney Christine Ferrer ang paraan ng kanyang pagrepaso. Ayon kay Ferrer, tila binabalikan lamang ng testigo ang mga pahina ng dokumento at hindi maingat na ikinukumpara ang bawat acknowledgement receipt sa listahang iniharap ng prosekusyon. Tumutol din ang depensa sa pag-stipulate o pagkilala sa ilang dokumentong nais ipasok ng prosekusyon bilang ebidensya.
Your Honor, just a quick manifestation, Your Honor.
Yes, counsel for responding.
Yes, Your Honor. We noted that the list of accounts, which was supposed to be prepared by Mr. Wamil, with the caption OVP, open parenthesis, December 21 to 31, 2022, close parenthesis, was unsigned and it was undated. Second, the witness is merely flipping the pages without comparing the ARs with the list, Your Honor, to check whether the ARs are the same with what was listed by Mr. Wamil, Your Honor. And the third one is that we note that the folders containing the ARs were not marked as exhibits of the prosecution, Your Honor. For the record, Your Honor.
Matapos ang naging obserbasyon ng depensa, tumugon si House Private Prosecutor Attorney Lorna Capunan, ngunit sinabi nitong iiwas na lamang siyang magbigay ng mas mahabang komento hinggil sa issue.
We are tempted to make a counter manifestation, Your Honor. Because, Your Honor, these manifestations, Your Honor, are because of their own doing, Your Honor. But in any event,
I hope you won't give in to the temptation, counsel.
I will not. I will not, Your Honor. It's the wisdom of age. I will not.
Dahil sa kakulangan ng oras ng pagdinig, iminungkahi ng prosekusyon na sa labas na lamang ng impeachment court ipagpatuloy ang pagsusuri ng testigo sa mga dokumentong iniharap. Gayunman, tumutol ang kampo ng depensa at iginiit na ang naturang pagsusuri ay hindi dapat isagawa sa labas ng korte.
Under the rules, the witness has to identify the document in open court. The problem with their stipulation, Your Honor, is that they will be having the witness identify the documents out of court. So therefore, it is no longer part of the trial, and there's a problem when it comes to the offer. There will be a problem when it comes to their offer of evidence, Your Honor. And with regard to the counter manifestation or the statement of counsel that we want to, look at the witness while she's flipping the document, Your Honor. Precisely, that is what we are doing right now, Your Honor. So we object to the proposal that the examination of the ARs be done outside the court, Your Honor.
Tumutol din ang depensa na stipulate o kilalanin ang ilang acknowledgement receipts na inihain ng prosecution.
Your Honor, unfortunately, we will not stipulate, Your Honor. We didn't stipulate in the case of Wamil, Your Honor. The same position is maintained, Your Honor, in the case of this witness, Your Honor, because after the ARs have been submitted to the Commission of Audit, Your Honor, the OVP and the DepEd no longer had control over these ARs. So therefore, we do not know what were the receipts that were provided by the COA and how many receipts were given by the COA to the prosecution, Your Honor. And second, these are not common exhibits because we did not mark those documents or ARs as our own. We didn't adopt them as our own evidence, Your Honor. And third, the ARs that were presented or are being presented now by the prosecution have not been compared with our own copies, Your Honor. So we cannot determine with certainty, Your Honor, if their ARs are actually identical with our copies, Your Honor.
Counsel, that is precise.
Bilang kompromiso, naghain ng motion si Attorney Lorna Capunan na ang clerk of court ng impeachment court ang mga siwa sa isang sesyon kung saan maaaring suriin ng kampo ng depensa ang mga dokumentong nakatakdang gamitin sa testimonya ni Del Campo. Pumayag ang depensa sa mungkahi, ngunit nilinaw ni Attorney Christine Ferrer na hindi ito nangangahulugang otomatiko nilang tatanggapin o stipulate ang mga acknowledgement receipts at iginit din niyang ang schedule na naturang pagsusuri ay dapat mapagkasunduan ng magkabilang panig.